Oi. You know the picture there with the movie. Ko brenda no gas bangu ai. I'm sorry, I was thinking no gas.
Muru pisa mna.
Pictures.
Hi, sorry guys, I'm having to switch pages because it's not block on any music. So DJ. Oh, I'm chibonzi the cameraman. Hang on guys. Hi diaries. Hi Melody, you're not in my way. I think we're going to be using this page for the duration of the night. Anunzani Kudzi Jimkoba Gordon. Hi guys. Right, okay. Hi ma'am, hi guys. Hi. Mirai. I'll try and invite you. I don't know. Hey, chimbomira tara nyedze nyi. Nduku record. Guys. Hi. Hi. Say hello. Hi. Hi. Ayo my chair lady nyai. Hi. My organizer manyama. And the whole team is in here. Your host with the mostest. Hello. Magadizing host. South Africa. Host Murukumbeta domestics. Hi Milka. Hi. Nai ndiana kuti ndiye cheripoku. Nai mivani mamundizive here. Tina DJ vedu. Our handsome DJ. And the ladies over there. Varikumbeta zvemafoni vari mulimo ka. Vanhu varikumbeta zvemafoni. It's me. Hi guys. Hi. SIS MELLY rambakarwa serious handiti chani. Varikumbonyebetsera kunge munhu kwai muchazovaona pa dance floor later. Hi Ruwa, how are you babes? How are you doing? Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. We tried. You know, because the African time as usual. We're running on Black people's time. My organizer who have made it possible. Auntie Dani and Auntie Selena over there. Varikuzinzwa sugar. My organizer manyama. Hello, organization committee. Murkudiwa diaries. Auntie Selena. Organization committee. Munozombo vadera Auntie Selena. Anzi ndiwe cherry. Sure, nice to see you. Well scrubbed mambuya manyama. Sha. Funda munhu kubva wanditiwo ndiri mbuya here sha. Ndikutamba nemambuya ndaambuya here. Marilyn, thank you, babe. Nice to meet you, Lina. Nice to meet you. Sha, kana ini ndakashata tangozvidira iwe Gini Mbijuni aunyari here. Unotaura zvekushata kwevanhu uri mwari here wakagadzira vanhu. Manje Today is not that day. But despite of the violence, I won't even give you the time of day. I'm not even going to entertain your nonsense. I don't need validation from you or anyone else. Thank you, Funda. We're getting between Shaman. At the still for a we were not even in the same text bracket. I won't even entertain your nonsense. It's such a beautiful day. It's going to be an amazing night. Thank you, Funda. Auntie Selina, Auntie Magachene Sesa. Auntie Magachene Sesa. Auntie Zhurukubuda sweet. Auntie brother and Akupa Ucheri Ndokufari. Memzi ngo create a brother sha. And I'm not a brother past 20 pesha. Hi Phoebe, how are you? Kinimbi shapa nambo kuforsa ukuthi baye live button ungathi bantu akashatele indaba awumbo fokathi kanganisira siwasha tuku blocker nasa thombo naziyenzi. It's such a beautiful day. We're not even doing that. I won't even entertain you nonsense. Yeah, exactly. We don't need energy. We're not even about the negative energy. You don't cope with it. You know what? It speaks volumes about who you are as a person. It didn't do so. I don't want it to put one name. I would do it's gonna be such a beautiful night. I hope you guys will enjoy as much as we are going to enjoy. The team has been working so hard behind the scenes to make this an amazing night. Thank you Odi. Now this stuff ukuthi ndazorwa yakawanda and luzorwa makeup yakawanda nice. Tetemem, I love you. I can't wait to be your Morora Makoti Jai. Auntie Smelly, my auntie Napima to check her inbox and use Smelly. Thank you, Edie. Shanda, abantu kufilonge ndazorwa zvakawandisa Shanda. Ndikufilonge yawanzwa makeup yacho but it's okay. Love you, Natai. Thank you, babe. You like lip rangura mina zvaraitwa konga ndaundipa clip and nabasa ne mali sindo dangu andakapona mari. But she did well. My hair is from House of Evie. Yeah. It's lovely. Alright, we've moved on. Irikupinda nepa window shadi mulimo zvakarongeka shadi tatopindawo mulimo nenyaya diaries. Mulimo my guy. Thank you Funda. Thank you babes. Thank you my loving. Nasi leg day. We've got the leg out. Like Nasi smell avarapa. Varkumboterera limo. Varkumboterera limo. Mirani kuratidze. Vanhu vari kunakirwa muno. DJ vari kutapa music yavo. Thank you, Phoebe. Thank you. Thank you, Iti, my baby boys. Shanda, and this toba Papa Sham. Thank you, darling. Thank you, Gina. Nice to see you too, Nyari. Sis Melanzi, Esna Helen. Hands in day pay you. Now you guys come Mugati Machember. Mugati Machember, just a Machember. House. Gina, we are taught can on the 2-minute passport and she go to San Manda. 2 minutes, let's live story. Second passport. Canada Pisano Manda 2 minutes. I've got no problems whatsoever. Zim wrong? I don't think so. I think that's probably a different show. Hi Priscilla, how's the US? My tower, mira. Thank you, Mashingo. Thank you, Ellen. My tower, can we see others? Okay, hang on. So, Smelly is here in her custom-made Gladys Jinjika dress. Auntie Selina there. Very beautiful, wow. And then my towel, Auntie Dana is there in her custom-made dress. My ladies, Chippy, I'm up on my towel. Ginato and a dress. My drinks, Lindsay, we were kind of running late, so we had to abandon ship. Tanonoka. You know, SIS MELLY's dress was being flown in from Germany, so Tamboenda airport couldn't pick a dress. Tamboenda couldn't pick a dress airport. Ranti Selina Rangar Chiboku, Italy. Ramaita waranga chiboku avero kuromu kokunaya ranga chiba kuijipita saka tatingota ma airport run makuseriese ndosaka tisina ma drinks mulimu zvakaoma. Gina ndori pa SIS MELLY. Alright, SIS MELLY motakura dress ndakapfeka muno pa Gina ari kurida matonokwana here Gina uri size ani anokwana saka ndo pa SIS MELLY chingobvisa nevanhu vari pa SIS MELLY. DJ Anzi, Shona music, please. Very good, guys. I was sure Auntie Selina is on point. She didn't come to play today. She's on point.
No. A different Auntie Selina to all together.
My sister
we get to the venue. When we say it, we are
classy. Mazunzwira. Icho chimanyama chiri mufoni dakuvatorera foni nhasi SIS MELLY venyama toda ukahwapura kafoni. I think tapadhuze kusvika koswagari anzi chikoswagari ko here ku hai ndamushidaro naye hako kuno shido madress aneti we are here I think we're here. Oh God, Tashika, so amen. Give me a second and I'll come back live. SIS MELLY, can I go live with the other page?